Today I will tell you how to create your own Honeypot Scam Token on Binance Smart Chain, which can be bought, but you can't sell, and at the same time you can sell tokens, but all others will not be able to do it. And you can leave all the money for which mammoths bought it, and you can just with us a bunch of tokens and sell them. We go here, the link in the description, and copy the smart contract of our token. Next, go to Remix, all links in the description. Create a new file to make it, for example, my token, and write a volume at the end of the SOL point. We insert our code. Here it will be possible to change the name of our token, his title and supply. For example, let there be the name Moonsoin, the moon ticker, and the number of our tokens in the amount of 1 million. We compile our file. After each channel in the code, you need to compile the file and connect MetaMask into the Binance Smart Chain. Now we can deploy it. We go into this section and press it with a wiper. Confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. It will incorporate it so much gas, you will have less. Now we need to add liquidity to our token. Otherwise mammoth simply will not be able to buy it. Copy the contract of our token and insert it here. And now be very attentive. Our token works in such a way that you need to add 0.1 BNB or more than this amount to liquidity. For example, 1 BNB. If you add less than 0.1 BNB, then the contract will not work. You can take this liquidity to your wallet at any time. Here we put Finny. 1 Finny is 0.001 BNB. That is, 100 Finny is 0.1 BNB. And for example, 500 Finny is 0.5 BNB. I will add 0.1 BNB to liquidity, so I write 100 Finny. Press the Add Liquidity and confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. That's it. We added liquidity. Now everything works. I switch to PancakeSwap to suck the second wallet. We will succeed that my second wallet is a mammoth sell it. I buy our tokens for 0.11 BNB for the test. I will make you sell and get an error. Now the suction of the wallet from which we defiled and added liquidity. First, we can buy and sell our tokens. And most importantly, we turn into liquidity and see here our 0.1 BNB plus another 0.11 BNB mammoth. If he bought our tokens for 1 BNB, then it would be plus 1 BNB. Click Remove, confirm the transaction and get 0.111 BNB on a wallet. If our tokens would be bought, for example, at 50 BNB, then we would receive 51 BNB. And now, we just saved from the left Telegram of accounts in a personal and crypto chats that this token is now picking up etc. Home Spy, and we earn money. To make yourself additionally tokens, you write your address and the number of tokens that you want to shut up and click Transact. If you want to see a video about how to promote our token so that mammoths are bought, then like it and write about it in the comments. I wish you a big profit.